Also, with our new trip program, we have a mobile site. It's not really an application, but if you log in to our URL with your mobile phone or a tablet, it will bring you to the mobile site. If not, you type our URL /mobile. It brings you to our site. You'll see our name up here. User truck name is going to be here, and password. Just log in with your truck. This is strictly for the truck. You can view the trips that you've already been on. You go back home. I want to start a trip, so I'm going to start a trip. Here's today's date, and I'm going to put my trip number in, January 2017. All information is there, auto mapped. I'm not going to use my odometer. I am Joe Driver today, and so I'm not going to worry about a trailer number. I'm just going to continue to show you how quick this is. We have two modes here. You can use your GPS mode, which I'll come back to and show you later, or the manual input mode, which is what we're looking at now. The origin label is basically just a label to help you identify the trip. Maybe you're pulling apples and you're starting here in Atlanta, Georgia. Your destination is, and I'm going to use the postal code instead of Miami, Florida. Do I have any stops? Okay, yeah, I can put in here what the stop is. And now I need to come back and correct this real quick. And I'm going to put, let's say, Mobile, Alabama. And then I'm going to say I don't need another stop. I'm going to start my trip. It calculates everything I need. It says here's my miles, my route, everything is in there. The next thing I need to do is basically when I need to stop and fuel up. I'm going to fuel up. Okay, so where am I going to fuel at? I need to put some gallons in here. Okay, let's see here. Add Georgia fuel. Let's say I did 50 gallons and it cost me $120. Okay, I don't need that. I just was going to do go into here to Florida and add my Florida fuel. Okay, and I'm going to do 175, and I'm going to do 385.23. It's relevant. Save. Calculates all the information. Here's my miles, total miles, gallons, my total cost, my MPG. Do I want to upload a receipt? All I have to do is click on this. I can take a picture with my phone of the receipt and save it to this trip very, very quickly. The other information is in here. The general information is in here. The origin destination is in here. Stops, the directions in here. I'm all finished though. I mean, I've made my trip. So I click on finish. I say, okay, I'm going to pick my date that I finished the trip. I'm going to sign it. And I don't need to send it to myself. So I'm just going to finish and create the trip sheet. Just like that. It's done. Now I can go over here. Do I want to see this trip sheet? Click on it, and there's a copy of my trip sheet. This is the same thing that you'll get at home, and that's how you do a regular trip using the normal process of the auto mapping. Next, I'll be showing you the GPS.